We are looking at how to pronounce this phrase from Italian, used to describe food, typically pasta in particular, that is cooked so as to be still firm when bitten. The phrase means to the teeth in Italian, in a way of describing how your teeth can still feel how the food and the pasta is still firm when you bite it. Anyhow, how do you go about pronouncing it? In Italian, it is said as al dente, al dente. So, in English, it is usually said quite similarly, al dente, from Italian, al dente. Here are more videos on how to pronounce useful Italian words, cooking terms from French and Italian that you definitely want to hear and nail the pronunciation of. I'll see you there to learn more.